ambassador was in Sweden, and he was telling us what's happening right now. And I remember it so well that some of the information he was given, I looked down at my feet and my expensive suit, and I was thinking, what am I doing here? I'm a soldier. Infantry, so I'm a shooter. That's what I'm doing in Sweden. Usually our task is protect geographical areas or objects that are important.
Do you feel any differences between Ukrainian militaries and Swedish militaries?
Swedish military, usually the ones I see, they already done conscript, so of course there are more, they have more knowledge. The soldiers that are trained now, never been in the military before. They learn very, very quickly, and they really want to learn. The people of Ukraine continue fighting because freedom and peace. It's a wonderful country and it's worth fighting for. That's why I'm still here. And for the citizens of Sweden, keep supporting, because without the support, both when it comes to weaponry and economical, it's needed to be able for the citizens of Ukraine to continue to fight.